Ay, ako po si Sir Edwin Dayaw, isang jeepney signage artist.
Hi, I'm Luis Anog. I'm a brush lettering artist.
Welcome to Common Room's Lettering
Lessons.
For those who are new here, Common Room is a shared retail and digital space for over 200 Filipino makers and artists. If you're looking for unique, locally made products, we have branches in Power Plant Mall, UP Town Center, Alabang Town Center, and Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.
Ang lettering po ng mga ginagawa ko to, ma'am. Ganito po. Then, bali, makikilala nyo ang aking mga gawa sa letter A. Sa A po, kasi ang A po ng ginagawa ko, mayroon pa sa pailalim. Sa iba po is, pag ginuwit mo pa ganun, wala po sa pailalim. Kukumpara ko po yung paggawa sa pag-lettering ang actual. Then sa akin po, pagdating po dito sa signboard, is box po, ma'am. Guguhitan mo siya. Halimbawa is, sa laki ng signboard po is, ang ilalagay na pangalan is 8 letter, hahatiin lang po niya sa gitna. Hahati po sa ganun. Hanggang sa malumabas po yung 8. Doon ka na po magsisimula na yung letter na gagawin, ma'am.
So, my lettering style, I started kasi writing in cursive. I took like brush calligraphy workshops, and then eventually like my style grew into a mix of like cursive talaga na parang script and curly letters, but also mixed with like those thick strokes na it's like a bit retro inspired. When I learned like the technical rules, it's more of when you're like writing going upwards, it's thinner than when you're writing downwards, it's thicker. But then eventually, as I like experimented with my own style, sometimes like I mix around, like going down is thin, and then in the edges it's a bit thicker. So it can like learn the rules, and then I learned how to also break them eventually, because that's how I think how I found my own style also. No, not yet. I haven't tried, but I always see Kuya Edwin in the events. In the recent event we were in, my table was beside his. So I was like, whenever there's no customers in front of my table, I just watch Kuya Edwin. I was like, how does he do that?
Bali, ang gagawin natin, may brush tayo, then may paint, then may signboard. Umpisa natin, ma'am. At huwag kang kakabahan. Then, umpisa natin na imimix lang natin ang pintura. Then, iguhit mo pati sa ibabaw. Yeah. Simple lang, ma'am, pero kaya mong gawin to, ma'am. Yung brush kasi medyo di ko gaano mapapaliwanag kung anong klaseng brush to. Kasi kahit man ako, ma'am, tumanda na ako, hindi ko anong klaseng brush na ginagamit to, ma'am.
Yun lang po.
Kasi bumibili lang po talaga sa bilihan talaga ng brush. Letter E tayo, ma'am. Yan. Simple lang, ma'am. Ganyan ni ma'am. Sa 23 years na artist, ma'am, malayo pa mararating niya, ma'am. Sing ako, ma'am, nagsimula ako is 20.
Oh.
Kasi ngayon, 43 na ako, ma'am. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa ako. Kasi mahal ko yung gawa ko, ma'am. Ayan, pwede magkakaroon siya ng style. Lalagyan mo sa style, letter I. Para mag-iba yung I niya, is, gagawin mo siyang
May
element
dot
of
na po.
tone. Oo, para may design lang. Diba? Pangalan na. Pangalan ni Luis.
Hey!
Pwede kang magpa-rainbow. Pag gano'n, kahit ang style, kasi sasay kung ano, paano mo siya bibigyan ng parang,
So, iba-ibang pen po niyo pwedeng gamitin. Nakatry na po kayo.
hindi, nakikita ko lang.
So, may parang mas stable po na pag ginaganon mo po. Parang hindi po gumagalaw ng sobra. Wait, show you. So, parang pag pataas po, dapat thin, tapos pag pababa, mas diinan po.
Mas diinan.
Parang thick na po siya. So, pag up, then down po.
Halimbawa, kung letter E,
Pag E po yung capital po, parang baliktad na 3 po. So, parang gano'n. Ganun po. So, parang ito po yung down strokes. Tapos ito po up, then down. Kahit start niyo po muna yung small letter E. So, parang up. Tapos pag down po, i-press niyo po.
at
Parang,
yun, parang lumalapad.
parang press down po. Yan. So, the first sketch po, easiest po pag pencil or pen because hindi po gumagalaw yung tip. So, usually po on my work, parang sketch po muna, then picture. So, I'll show you lang po paano. So, mag-picture lang, tapos parang iti-trace po, or parang guide na po. So, parang same siya ng brush pen, but digital lang po. So, yung difference po with yours, pwede po mag-undo or mag-erase. Pero, that's why super galing niyo po na parang one take. Doon na po yung parang up, down.
Ganda na nga, oh. Kahit sino nakakita ng ganyan, di believe. Kasi sa ganyan, pwede ka talagang mag-adjust, di ba, ma'am? Sa akin kasi, sa pintura, pag actual, matutuyo mo siya bago mo siya i-adjust ng, kunyari, ang pambubol mo is white, para i-adjust mo. That's my work. Laban.
Good luck, kuya. Kaya mo yan.
Diyan, diretso rito. Alina. O, di ba? Blank. Kami yan. Yan ang gawa ng aking kakompetensya.
It's better to relax and just breathe. Just have fun and try din in your own style.
Mas madali rin talaga ma'am sa papel bago mo siya ipasok sa ganun. Basta uunawain mo lang yung lalabasan ng letra. Yung sa kanya, ma'am, mas maganda na matutunan ng iba. Kasi sa ngayon kasi, modern na kasi yung mga style. Ngayon, sa gawa, huwag nilang kalilimutan pa rin yung gawa natin. Huwag ka babase sa may natuklasan ka lang parang letra na bago. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, yung ano yung sa loob mo magagaya mo.
If starting lang, I started by writing letters and like titles for my scrapbook. So I think it came from something like I love doing and something I enjoy. And then eventually, you'll also grow into different styles or different mediums, like any like opportunity. As long as like you love what you're doing and like you're enjoying it, and eventually you'll learn even more about the art process itself. Just keep practicing, and it's very fun because like you can write and draw letters in so many different ways, like with the alphabet, like even though it's the same letters that we have, so many different ways to have fun and experiment.
Yun lang tama, ma'am. Mag-enjoy lang. Kung ano talaga yung gusto.
High five.